UThando nesthembu usolwa ngokuqola imali yokukhumula izilo. When I saw this, like I kind of felt like I knew it was fake, guys. So, and then it goes on to say, unkosikazi kaMseleku ecaleni lokuqola oshonelweyo. So they are saying that Mr. Mseleku's wife is in a case, or is a suspect for stealing from the, what do you call those that lost their family members, those that are grieving. Yeah, okay, so English is not my first language. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jackie, and okay, so here is the story. So apparently there is a lady that's saying Makhumalo Mseleku approached her. I mean, I don't know who approached who. However, it turns out Makhumalo said that she had a mining business or a trading business, you know, and then said she would help her get some money. I think it was some insurance, that has to do with death and everything. But guys, how do you send money to someone that you don't know? So they say when they were supposed to meet, they scheduled a meeting, and Makhumalo requested some money, and that is when she sent her 3,000 rands, okay? And then later on, Makhumalo again requested the money, and she sent her 7,500. And then she promised her that she was gonna get her profits of 350,000. Like, wow, almost 500,000. Okay, guys, this should be a warning to all of us. Like, we should, like, come on, there's no such thing as easy money. And the following day, she asked Makhumalo about the money. Okay, so when am I getting my money? And then so Makhumalo was like, in order for me to transfer this money, please send me more money. Okay, that is when the pastor and his sister sent her $6,000 on her behalf. They sending to Makhumalo. Okay, and then the following day, that's when she asked, okay, can I have my money now? And then Makhumalo was like, okay, just add another 1,000. And then that's when she was like, okay, I'm done, and went to the police. So that's when she filed a complaint in the police station, and the police were like, I mean, when they reached out to Makhumalo. So this is like, isiZulu siyachaza, like Makhumalo waphika walala ngomhlane. Oh, such a beautiful language. Like, I love this phrase. Okay, yeah, I just loved upon hearing this phrase. So it says Makhumalo denied everything, and it is clear that this person was scammed by those people that just DM you from nowhere. Hi, I earn so much per month, but I don't go to work. I'll be here at home. And me, I reply like, okay, good for you. Then block. Sometimes I like to troll, and then someone be like, oh, I want to give away 5,000, so can you send me your email address? So I'm going to send you a verification code. I need that code so that you can receive your money. Come on, like, you think I'm dumb? Imagine someone trying to hack your Instagram. So when I receive such messages, do you know what I do? I just sometimes if I'm bored, like really bored, and then I get that message, I'll be like, okay, why don't you go donate it to the poor or something? You know what? I go to work and I'm fine, thank you. So guys, this should be a lesson to all of you. Like, these people like using like the popular people's names, because you'll be watching UThando nesthembu, a huge follower, and then Makhumalo DMs you. Okay, that's but like, be careful, okay? Don't send money. And it is also said that the account was written Stephen Nkos. Like, how is Makhumalo Stephen Nkos? So I hope you have an amazing week.